Yeah, hello guys. When I was running my Spring Boot microservice, so I was facing this issue. So unable to start a web server, and it was showing the different kinds of error. So why it's showing this type of error? Let me show you the error. So you can see this. It's showing the unable to start web server. Okay. When I was running my Spring Boot microservice, so it's showing unable to start runs web server, unable to start embedded Tomcat. So these are the some web servers, and some this issue and error are showing. So why this type of error is showing? So you can see that error creating with the name s2 console. So why this error is showing? So mainly this error is showing when suppose I am using MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, any database I am using. Okay, so I am using now Postgres. If I am using Postgres but I didn't add that dependency in .pom.xml, so this is chance to showing this error. Okay, if I'm using MySQL and I'm not I didn't use the MySQL dependency, so this error can show. You can see that by mistake I comment that data jpa. So data jpa, so I have to uncomment the data jpa because it help also to connect with the database. And now you can see this is Postgres. I am using Postgres database, but I did comment, so I have to uncomment this dependency. And if you are using MySQL, then you can add MySQL. If you are using Oracle, then you can use add Oracle dependency. I am using Postgres, so I have to uncomment the Postgres dependency. Okay, after the uncomment, just now I should run this application, then I should check. Okay, firstly complete the build. Okay, and then firstly save this all the changes. Okay, done. Now just run this application, what the error will show, or it's running successfully or not. Let's see. So you can see this now. I have just run this my Spring Boot my microservice. Okay, let's just wait, it's running successfully or not. I think it's running good. Okay, done. As to console available, good. And okay, system is little bit slow, no problem. Okay, everything is showing perfect. Okay, start as SMS application. So you can see this application has been started. Tomcat started, port number this, and path is this. So you can see this microservice running successfully. Thank you guys for watching this video.